traditional white cheese recipe. Ingredients: full fat milk 1 liter, full fat plain yogurt 1 cup, juice of 1 lemon, salt half a tablespoon. Pour the milk in a pot and place it on a medium to high heat until it starts boiling. Keep stirring it once in a while to let the air inside the milk. Once the milk starts boiling and start having foam on the surface, add salt and the yogurt and start stirring. Keep stirring for about 5 minutes. After some time, you will notice the milk starts to curdle a little bit. After 5 minutes, add the lemon juice and keep stirring for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will see the milk is completely curdled. At this stage, remove the milk from the heat. Pour the curdled milk inside the cheesecloth in order to remove the whey from the cheese. At this stage, the cheese is very hot and you cannot touch it. So take the corners of the cheesecloth and wrap it and let it stay like that for 10 to 15 minutes so that it will get cooler. After 15 minutes, press the cheese a little bit to remove the whey from the cheese and then place something very heavy over the cheese for half an hour. After half an hour, remove the heavy object and open the cheesecloth and wrap it properly around the cheese so that the cheese will take a nice shape. Place the heavy object on the cheese for another half an hour. After this time, the cheese is ready. You can enjoy it. This version of cheese is super yummy and super delicious, and I promise you, once you make this cheese, you can just finish it in 5 minutes.